Good YouTube, welcome back for another video. So I got this from online. So this one right here actually broke down today. Like you can see, this part broke down, and coincidentally I bought this one, so it arrived today after I think 3 days. Then it's okay, this is the packaging. Actually, I'm not the one who has opened this one. This like this. I have unwrapped it. Actually, it was like this. So this is how it looks. It's the packaging. Yeah. So let's see what is inside. What is inside? You have the owner, like you can see. So actually they are made of plastic, but I think that is included in the description, so it's not of surprise. Steering light, still a watch. So this thing is so big. I don't know what it is, magnet, but this one has some weight, a decent weight. Yeah, so now let's attach it part by part. I think this fits in here. Okay, let me get a tripod. Also, stay tuned for a review of this power bank. I got it a while ago, like 1 week ago. So I haven't reviewed it yet, but I think it will be my next upload. So stay tuned. That's how you attach it. So this thing is quite heavy. There's some weight which is suitable for holding your phones. So you attach it like that. Then what is next? Next, I think this is next. You attach it like this, God damn it. Yeah, then it is in. It is locked in. Then I think you can adjust it. It's adjustable like that. Then how do you lock it? This is how you lock it. It is quite tall actually. That's how you lock it, and you can try it like that. Then we have these ones where you press them like this. Check. Put them. Wait a minute. How do you put these things? How do you do them? Okay, actually this is how you do it. You force this dongle actually. You force it inside. Yeah, so it is for tightening the like that. So it is in secured, but these things feels like they will tear out. They will tear off. That's the right word. They will tear off after a while because it's plastic, right? But for short term use, if you are buying this thing to use it for a short time, then I think it is perfect. So why am I saying that? I bought this one. I think this came from Aranold as well. Came from this company, right? And I've used this one for like 1 year and I think 3 months now. They broke down because it is plastic. The material is plastic. So the same to this one right here. So I think this will break down after a while because it is plastic. It is made of plastic. And so you have to like that. So actually what I've noticed, you have to like make this one loose or unscrew it. That is the right word, unscrew it. You have to unscrew it and then force it inside and lock it in like this. Lock it in like that, and this thing is adjustable. I don't know what angle that one is. I was not good in mathematics, so like you can see, you can adjust that way. It can hold 2 phones and it is quite stable. for sure. This part is has some weight, like I told you. There's a lot of weight. So now let's attach this one. This is the ring light. Actually, what makes this tripod or a stand special is this one, right? This is what made me actually buy this one. It made sense for me to get this type of a stand, unlike getting a tripod one or any other. So let's try this one now. Let's put it in here. Feel like say this and loosen it. Let's untighten it. God damn it. How do you do this one? You know, I'm afraid of breaking the phone stand. So this is adjustable. Yeah, this is a good deal. If you are thinking about getting this one, go ahead and get it. So now let's light it up. Let's light it up. Just like this one up here. Yeah, and the length of this cable is quite long. It is super long for sure. It is long enough. It is long enough. Now use the power bank. Yay. This power bank is a good deal. Don't miss out the review for this power bank actually. So let's light it up. Yay, and it is quite it has brightness actually. So you can change the warmth of the color, or you can change the warmth of the light, and even you can reduce the brightness. You can add like that. Let me try a video shooting using this light right now. So this is a video maximum brightness, and let me try to change the warmth of the 3-tone light. Yeah, the 3-tone light. So you have this one, which I think it is more clear on my skin tone. You have this one as well, right? So let me try to reduce the light, the brightness to 0. So that is 0. That is maximum. Yeah, quite good, you know. Yeah, so if you're thinking about getting one of these this stand, go ahead and get it. Honestly, I think it is worth it. Can hold 2 phones. It has a ring light. This ring light is enough. It is a 6 inch. Where is that? 6 inch ring light, but it is worth it. I'm not saying it is powerful more than the 10-inch version of the 12-inch or whatever inch, you know. It is worth it. And at that price point, I mean, I was checking at the prices. This one, after the broke down today, I was checking on the price, and this one comes with a smaller ring, a very small ring light. Honestly, for my own experience, when I used that small ring light, it won't make that big of a thing. But this one, I mean, these two cost almost the same, almost the same one. So if you want to buy for long-term use, I feel like you could go ahead and get this one. This one that I'm using, it is worth it. Then this one, it was quite useful until it broke down today. It was very useful. I enjoyed using it. I've used it for more than a year until today. But before then, I had another one which broke down the leg. So yeah, that's it. So please do not subscribe. Do not even like this video. Thank you for watching.